Guys, Ethan is here, and today,
Yo,
we are with Kieran and Jack.
Wait, introduce me, because they've never seen me.
This is Jack.
Yeah,
He
let me have a look.
He's my stepbrother.
Yeah, basically.
And it's Kieran. And today we're going to do Nerf Wars.
Yeah, and I've got the modules.
He's representing Modulus. You're
Representing a bat and a pinto.
No, but you're going.
You're representing Elite.
And I'm representing X-Shot. And today,
Alright,
Kieran is going to be down there, and me and Jack are going to be up here.
Okay?
And
Right. It's going to be water. Ethan. Side. Right?
Yeah. Ready? Steady.
Go.
Wait, stop.
Ready.
Wait. You're allowed to come up, you know.
It just takes one shot for my missile.
Ready? Steady, go. Do you got my side?
Bang!
Miss.
And then I knocked it back. I knocked the bullet back with my...
I got him. I shot his hand.
No.
I shot his
I
hand.
did it like that. No, I didn't.
Yeah,
Finally missed me.
See, I got modules now. I got my missile.
You fire. You fire.
Oh, we're doing it as a team, aren't
No,
we?
we're not. Look. One more shot. Oh, I missed.
Bang! I got stunned. Bang!
I'm not allowed to shoot. I'm stunned.
He was dead.
I got shot. I'm stunned.
Bang! He's dead.
Alright, there's first round.
First round.
Ethan.
1 point.
Alright,
To me.
guys. Whoever wants a team like
I got armor.
Okay.
I got armor.
So now
We all got
you're
armor.
gonna beat me in my personal shot.
I got armor.
Mini pistol.
Nice stuff.
Oi. Sorry if you can't see. Go.
What we doing? Wait. This thing's clogged. I shot you 3 times. Dead. I shot you 3 times. I hit you with my modulus.
So that is the end of it. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to say bye. See you next time.